So Yamil Lu'um is the Mayan ruins. It's a small Mayan ruin that you can access from the Westin Lagunamar. We're going to take a walk up there. So Scorpion's Temple. Sounds menacing. Now technically the ruins are not located on Lagunamar property, so when you come here you do so at your own risk. You're entering a federal zone and it's not related to the property in any way. Same spiel that was down below. So there's the temple, Scorpion's Temple. You have what's building 1 of Westin Lagunamar right behind it. So if you're in that building, it actually, your room would look out over the ruins. And it looks like they light it up at night too. There's some lights here. Another light to light the temple at night. And a beautiful view of the Caribbean Sea. There, as you can see, a great view of the beach. Let's go for a walk around the back here. You can see here where they've also done some repair work. Probably when they excavated this and kind of put it back together, because a lot of these, the way you see them today, is not how they found them under the mounds of dirt and earth. Many of them were crumbling. They had to recreate them as best they could. So that you can see the new mortar work in between those bricks, or in between those rocks, I guess I should say. Looks like it might be limestone and coral rock. I mean, mostly limestone, since that's pretty much most of the Yucatan Peninsula is made of. Very porous limestone. And as you can see down here, a lot of mortar work done there to repair this as well. This is probably in pretty bad shape when they found it. And they of course have it roped off here so you can't climb on it. Just amazing to think that this was built over 500 years ago. There you have it, a tour of Yamil Lu'um Mayan Ruins. So when you visit the Westin Lagunamar, be sure to take in a little Mayan history and visit this small site located right beside the resort. It's so close, you have no excuse not to check it out. Thanks for watching Destination Timeshare. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to click thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this one, along with timeshare tips, villa tours, resort reviews, and industry news, please be sure to click subscribe and also click that notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload new videos. We'll see you next time, and let's make your next destination a timeshare.